welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So I ordered a very old antique doll off of eBay and I'm so excited. So I'm going to unbox it. I haven't opened it. It literally arrived today and I just got back from work. So of course I have to open it and I'm so excited to do this unboxing. I know this is so different than what I'm normally used to doing. Usually it's always like something pink, girly hauls and all sorts of stuff. But I've never done an unboxing for an antique doll, so this is quite new. But I've always loved dolls and I was looking for something antique and something cute that I could use to display here in the back, and I found the perfect doll off of eBay. So I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open it. So the doll that I got is a antique doll and the lady said that it's at least 100 years old. She is the owner of the doll. I think it was passed on from her great aunt to her. So she had like all the details and everything. And in the pictures, she looked so cute. I just think that anything antique is just so fascinating to know that it's like older than me. I don't know, it's just amazing. So I'm so excited. So my younger son is actually creeped out by the doll because he doesn't like dolls, and he says that he saw the picture. When he saw the picture, he says that it looked creepy, but I like it and I think it's cute. So let's go ahead and open it. She packaged it really well. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So there's tons of like newspaper. Okay, so in here, it looks like it's the wig. So these dolls come with like a removable wig. And here it is. It's so cute. So I guess the wig itself, it's not original. And neither is the hat. So that's why it looks more like newer. But the doll itself is antique. So let's get her out because I am dying to see what she looks like. So this is a 15-inch doll. Okay. She's packaged very good. I'm so happy because I don't want to come with a surprise that it's broken. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. She looks like a mummy. Wow, even the dress is so old. Like it literally reminds me of like something super old. I can definitely tell that it is definitely an original dress. She did say that she had the original dress and stockings and shoes. And if you can see here, the dress is not even white anymore. It's like a little yellowish from like old age. She is a jointed doll and she's like jointed at like her elbows, her wrists, her knees. Oh my goodness. She is like in perfect conditions for being 100 years old. Like the pictures that I saw, it looked incredible. So she does have this plastic here. Let me take that off. Oh my goodness. The shoes. Look at those shoes. They are so adorable. They're like very old, that's for sure. Like the color, everything, you can tell it's so old. But like she is in amazing conditions. Like look at that. She even has like her little shorts and her knees do bend. She is a little bit fragile, that's for sure. So the doll that I got does have like sleepy eyes and she has glass teeth. She is absolutely perfect, like perfect. And in the top here, she put some tape on it so that her eyes wouldn't break with the shipping. So let me take that off. She stuffed the inside with tissue. The mechanism inside looks like this. It is so old, you guys. I am loving this. It is made in Germany, so it's a German doll. Oh my gosh, her eyes open and close. This is so beautiful. I am so impressed. Like the paint on her, everything, her teeth, they're intact. Everything is intact. She is so beautiful, and she's like the perfect size. So let's put on her wig. I want to see what she looks like with her little wig on. Oh, she's so beautiful. I can't. Look how cute she is. She's adorable. I love her. Like, I'm already in love with this doll. She's gonna look perfect up there in my closet. So I just wanted to share this with you. I thought it was so incredible that I was able to find an antique doll, and she is in perfect conditions. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. Do you think she's creepy? I don't. I think she's really beautiful. I know my son is like, she's so creepy when I showed him the pictures on eBay. But I'm like loving her. She is just so beautiful. So anyway, I hope you loved today's video. I know it's a little bit different. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you love antique items? Let me know. And I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.